Looking for a bit of stress relief with a side of sparkling skin? Look no further than facial cupping. This soothing massage treatment has been used for hundreds of years to enhance the skin, beginning as a healing technique and becoming one of the biggest beauty trends in recent years. In this video, we will delve into the world of facial cupping, exploring its history, benefits, and how you can incorporate it into your skin care routine for radiant skin. My name is Zara Aurora, a dedicated cupping practitioner with experience in holistic treatment and well-being. Facial cupping is a non-invasive therapy that involves the use of small suction cups to stimulate the skin and promote a healthier, more youthful complexion. In recent years, holistic skincare practices have gained tremendous popularity, and one such technique that has been making waves in the beauty world is facial cupping. Let's talk about the basics of facial cupping. Facial cupping is an ancient practice that shares its roots with traditional cupping therapy, which has been used for centuries to treat a wide range of ailments. Unlike body cupping, which typically uses large cups, facial cupping employs small, specially designed cups made from silicone or made from materials like silicone or bamboo. These cups create a gentle vacuum when applied to the skin, which is believed to offer several skincare benefits. Anybody who had facial cupping knows the strange, in a good way, and soothing the sensation of a cup gliding across their skin. And this procedure is working its magic with every moment. The suction effect works with your body to produce the most glowing look while also enhancing your feature, distressing and improving the overall appearance of your skin. Other benefits like improved circulation, which is the suction of facial cupping, promotes increased blood flow to the skin's surface. This in turn helps to nourish the skin with oxygen and essential nutrients, resulting in a healthier complexion. Other point: lymphatic drainage. Facial cupping can stimulate the lymphatic system, aiding in the removal of toxins and reducing puffiness. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with facial swelling or fluid retention. One of the other benefits is help to natural facelifts. Regular facial cupping may help stimulate collagen production and improve skin elasticity. This can lead to a firmer, more toned appearance and reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Good point: relaxation and stress reduction. The gentle gliding motion of the cup on the skin provides a soothing massage-like sensation. Many people find facial cupping sessions to be deeply relaxing, making it an excellent addition to a self-care routine. What should I expect, and is it right for me? Facial cupping is pretty harmless, I promise. No needles or fancy machines, just few glass or plastic cups that suction your skin to smooth, glowing perfection. During the massage, you will simply feel like these cups are loosely grabbing your skin and holding onto it as they slide gracefully across your face, neck, and body. There is very minimal pain involved, and in fact, it will probably feel incredibly soothing. As far as the side effects, also very few. You may notice a bit of redness for the first couple hours after your treatment, or minor marks left behind by tools, but this should subside by the next day and leave you with nothing but glowing results. Who is facial cupping recommended for? Facial cupping is recommended for individuals who deal with dull and lifeless skin that needs some rejuvenation and energy. So, if you have dry skin that needs a boost of glow, facial cupping is for you. It is also recommended for people who have oily skin since facial cupping, if done at regular intervals, is known to balance the oil production, hence preventing any negative consequences of overly oily skin. Certain things to be mindful of. There are a few things one need to keep in mind before they choose to engage in facial cupping. If you are doing it at home, so some of these are: don't keep the cup in one place for a long time. Keep moving it around every few seconds. This is to ensure that your face doesn't bruise. It is advisable to avoid cupping the immediate under eye area and stop near the orbital bone. Intake of medication that is responsible for blood thinning should be avoided right before facial cupping. Also, you should be using appropriate facial cups for the right facial parts. A small cup for use to the chin and temple, whereas larger parts like the cheekbone should have the larger cup being used on them. Like any other massage, requires a significant amount of aftercare. So that's facial cupping, since it replicates a deep tissue massage for your skin. Here are a few things you should be doing after a relaxing session of facial cupping. Number one, hydrate yourself a plenty. It is recommended to drink 2 glasses of water with every meal, at least for the first 24 hours. Number two, avoid this intake of caffeine, alcohol, and salty food. Must be avoided for the first 24 to 36 hours to ensure there is no further toxins build up in the body. Facial care: keep your face away from hot water and opt for rinsing it with some cold or mildly lukewarm water. Any exfoliation should be done at least 3 days after the facial cupping to avoid the barrier of the skin is damaged. What should I expect from my appointment? Your overall experience will depend on your individual's style of practice. If your provider only offers facial cupping, your session may be as short as 10 minutes. If they pair cupping with other therapies, your session may last 30 minutes or more. I recommend one session in a week for the first 10 weeks, then maintenance appointment once a month. The frequency of facial cupping session can vary. Some people opt for weekly sessions while others do it less frequently. Results are often cumulative with noticeable improvements after several sessions. Combining with a skincare. Many people combine facial cupping with a skincare routine, applying high quality serums or oils after a session can enhance its benefit. DIY versus professional. While there are facial cupping kits available for at-home use, professional session may provide more precise and controlled results. Here is a simplified guide to do facial cupping at home. Step 1. Cleanse your face. Begin with the clean face and apply a facial oil or serum to create smooth surface for the cups to glide over. Choose your cup. Select small silicone facial cup for home use, as they are easy to handle and less likely to cause bruising. Begin cupping. Start at the center of your face and move the cup upward and outward motion. Use a gentle suction. It shouldn't be painful. Move the cup along your jawline, cheeks, forehead, and neck, always moving in an outward direction. Be consistent. Consistency is the key with facial cupping. For noticeable results, aim for regular sessions but avoid overdoing it to prevent any adverse effects. Finish with skincare. After your facial cupping session, apply your favorite skincare product to maximize the benefits. There are some safety considerations. Facial cupping should be performed by a trained and certified practitioner to avoid potential complications. Avoid facial cupping if you have broken or irritated skin, sunburn, active acne, or history of capillary issues, as it could exaggerate these conditions. Some temporary redness or bruising can occur. Who doesn't want a face that is rejuvenated and glowing? The ancient practice of facial cupping will surely rejuvenate your skin and offer it a workout like never before. Embrace cupping and all the variety of benefits it has to offer to your face. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more cupping therapy content. Feel free to leave your suggestion, your thought, or maybe your experience in the comment box below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more informative videos.